of the 4 teams, you can go over to these 4 pyramids and you can steal a bucket, and that bucket actually will go to another team. For just a couple of dollars, you can do that. If you are a fighter and you want, if you're not a fighter and you want to fight, you can always go back to registration, buy a ticket. We'd love to have you join us. The opening ceremony will get started here in a couple of hours, and the balloons, I just heard, are at the warehouse in the Strip District. They're all loaded up, and they're just waiting to come across the bridge. So.
Oh, that's amazing. And you know what? And how many, a show of hands, how many over the past week were helping to fill balloons, if you can hear us? We want to thank you. And they're still, are they still